Hi, I'd like to briefly describe the Echo the Pin to LED project written in assembly language for STM32 developing board. The code implements debounce for the switch as well. You can observe blue LED lighting up. Regarding the code, there were directives created to give the address and base offsets and shifted registers pseudonames. These are the names. The code will be uploaded to GitHub, so you can study the comments what each pseudonym means. Scrolling down to setting up GPO input and output. So here we activating the bus, the advanced very peripheral bus for port C and A. Then setting up port C and pin 8 as an output, plus setting up port A pin 0 as input. This is where our push button be read through, and this is where the blue LED, the output, will be pushed on. In the main loop, we're loading the delay for the debounce. We're gonna pick up the input on port A pin 0 and store it in input data register. Then in a small subroutine, we're gonna compare and branch if 0 and decrement the delay. Once it is 0, it is branched to this subroutine, which contains echoing the impulse by bringing up the output baseline, adding the offset, masking the register 5 where we store the input, masking it with number 1, which helps us to ignore everything else. We just need bit 0, so we're masking with 1, position 1, and then we're moving what's in register 5 by shift value, which is defined in directives, and that's 8 places, and we're storing it in R1. Sorry, we're moving it to R1, and then we store what's in R1, we store in output data register offset to address of port C and offset output data register, and then we just keep looping, and this is compiled and run via Kali software. So one more time. This is fully operational code working on STM32 dev board. Thank you for watching.